Hi everybody, my name is Doug. So I have this printer. This is an Epson 330, an XP-330 to be more specific. And a couple weeks ago, my printer ran out of ink, so I needed to get new ink. I didn't want to pay full price. The full price for a official set from Epson is around $60. So I found this, the GPC Image replacement ink cartridge pack, for about half of that. With tax, it was right around $30. This fits a variety of Epson printers, and I'll put a link in the description box where you can find that on Amazon, and I'll list out all the compatible printers as well. So I will open her up and show you what it's like. So it comes in this box, comes with one of each that you need: black, yellow, cyan, and magenta. So open your printer up, and then from the main menu you'll want to choose Setup, and then on mine the second option is Maintenance, and then after that the fourth option is Ink Cartridge Replacement. So you'll choose that, and it'll ask you if you want to start ink cartridge replacement. Hit the diamond button for start, and they'll move to a place where you can access them. For some reason it has to do this little show-off thing before it goes to the right spot. Oh, no, yep. Okay, now. So you can just kind of pinch the tab towards the top of each one to take them out, like so. And when you're ready for the new ones, you just put them in. Okay, they're clearly labeled on here which one goes where. Like so. So here's an example of what I was able to print off in color. Nice, vivid colors. Here's an example that's mostly black and white, but just has a little color in the corner of the coupon. I'm very happy with this. And again, I'll put information in the description box, a link where you can find this on Amazon. And also, if you appreciate channels like this, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Now before I go, I'm going to give one brief rant here about Epson. I don't care for one thing about Epson printers, in that if one cartridge runs out of ink, they force you to replace it before you can print anything. So, as an example, if you run out of magenta, but all you want to do is print black and white, they still force you to replace the magenta before you can print in black and white. What a ripoff. Come on, Epson, get your act together. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.